Hello, my dear fourth graders. This is Mrs. Wilson again. Last time you guys developed your table of contents, and today we are going to dive right in and get started on developing one of our chapters, the first chapter in your informational writing. So I just wanted to give you a couple of hints. Informational writers often help their readers understand what they are writing about by beginning with a topic sentence, a sentence that tells the main idea of what the paragraph is going to be about. And then they develop the idea by including details and including facts and concrete details or specific examples of how to do something. I want to show you an example of a book that is actually using this, just so that you guys can get an idea of what the topic sentence is and what the first paragraph contains. Okay, so the book that I am reading is called Water, Water Everywhere, and it's written by Mary Beth Spann. And when you open inside, you see the table of contents, and it has 4 chapters, plus a glossary and an index. The first chapter, which is the one that I'm going to show you and point a couple of things out, is called Water, 3 Ways. When we turn over, you see the spread of both pages. There's a nice little picture spread across both pages, and the title says Water, 3 Ways. If you notice, the first sentence on there says, here's a riddle. What can be hard and sparkly as glass, or soft and wet as a summer shower, or almost invisible? If you guessed water, then you are right. Ice is hard, rainwater is wet, steam is almost invisible. Like all matter, water has 3 states or forms. These states of water are solid, liquid, and gas. Within that first paragraph, you can notice right off the bat that within the first sentence, the way that it is introduced, it is talking about the 3 states of water, and they are that the water can be sparkly as glass or soft and wet as a summer shower, or almost invisible. Within that first sentence, you know that that paragraph or the rest of the chapter is going to be talking about the 3 different states of water. So that is a perfect way to write a topic sentence, and especially in an interesting and catchy way. Again, if you remember from last time when we talked, Mrs. Wilson said that when you ask a question that involves the reader right away, they naturally want to answer the question or find the answer out to a question. And this person actually did an amazing job by asking a riddle, which is even better than a question because you want to solve that riddle. So this is one example. You guys will get to see here in a second in the next segment how I get to do my introduction of the. All right, you guys, so my chapter 1 is What is Baba Marta? And here's how I begin. You've never heard of Baba Marta? No fear. In this book, you'll hear all about who Baba Marta is and all the traditions that go with celebrating her. Baba Marta is an old lady. Baba means grandmother in Bulgarian, who comes in March and either brings some sunshine or some more snow to Bulgaria. Which one she brings depends on how the people are and the food they serve at their tables. As in the old calendar, Bulgarians celebrated their agricultural new year starting in March. This tradition with serving healthy foods beginning in March is a focus for many Bulgarians as well. So on the 1st of March, in honor of Baba Marta, we also tie these white and red twined bracelets called martinici to our friends' and family's hands. This is a wish for good luck and good health throughout the new spring and the new year. The martinici could be a bracelet or a brooch for red and white wool tassels, which resemble a boy and a girl called Pijo and Penda. Young people in particular would have a wristful of martinici or a coatful of Pijo and Penda's brooches. This is a very old tradition that has many legends that tell about its origins. Hey, you guys, I just want to tell you about one more thing. As you are writing your first chapters, you're going to need to pay attention to all of your details and facts and make sure that all of your details and facts are concrete and they are tightly related to your topic. And if you get stuck and you think that after a few sentences you are done, one strategy that you can use is to underline a sentence or a phrase that you have that is key within your paragraph, and then you can elaborate and write a little bit more about that specific key phrase or a word. That's one strategy that can help you write a little bit more, okay? Good luck, have fun, and happy writing.